Welcome back to the second 5-Minute Friday, and today we're going to discuss something that could possibly save your life. There's things that get overlooked when putting your gear together, and first aid kits might be top on that list. But before we dive into all of that, let's do that. Let me tell you, I'm excited about this one. I've spent a lot of time researching, discussing, and digging into medical kits, and the number one thing I learned is I'm pretty much an idiot when it comes to anything medical. I'm not a trained professional, nor do I have the expertise to be advising anyone on how to use a medical kit. So why the 5-Minute Friday on medical kits? I'm glad I asked myself that question because I think it's important to have one even if you don't have the expertise to use it. It's better to have it, in my opinion, than not to have it at all. So, as I said before, I'm not a medical professional, and this will be a very quick, super simple side-by-side comparison of two of the best personal outdoor medical kits on the market. My Medics iFAK and Outer Limits Supplies MyFAK. These are both top-notch kits, and either one will get the job done, but we're going to put these things side by side and see how they stack up against each other. I'm going to be looking at a couple of things as we compare these two kits. Fit and finish, what's inside, and how functional the kit is. We'll also be doing a follow-up video with a trained professional to really dive into what's needed and what you should be looking for in a comprehensive medical kit. But for now, let's take an idiot's look into these two different lifesavers and see what's what. From the outside, both of these kits look pretty similar. The MyMedic case and mount seems slightly higher quality, as well as having Velcro-lined MOLLE webbing. We did notice though that it was single stitched and the Outer Limits supply kit was double stitched, which makes a difference in the longevity of the kit under the harsh conditions we put our gear through. So we're honestly splitting hairs when it comes to the differences between these two kits. They both have mounting systems that you could put just about anywhere. They both have Velcro quick release for easy access, and their storage capacity is identical. So why don't we talk about why we like these kits? The first thing that stuck out to me was the Velcro quick release mounting system. The ability to tear away your kit makes it simple to grab if you're in an emergency situation or if you just need some band-aids for the homies. The MOLLE webbing isn't limited to the front, it also has some on the back, as well as a couple snap straps and a buckle that I use to mount it around my headrest. So enough with the boring stuff, let's take a look at what's inside. This is where it gets a little confusing. The Outer Limits supply kit has more individual medical supplies, but less items than the My Medic kit, which has more items, but less things. I can already feel the confusion, so let me explain. Say I have two kits. In kit A, we have 3 band-aids, 2 packs of gauze, and a pair of scissors. And in kit 2, I have 1 band-aid, 1 pack of gauze, a pair of scissors, and a pair of gloves. So as you can see, kit 1 has more stuff but less things, and kit B has more things but less stuff. The Outer Limits supply kit has 128 items and 42 things, while the My Medic kit has 101 items and 60 things. I hope that clears it up. So which one is better in this category? Yes. I have no idea, and I'm just as conflicted as you are. If I had the medical experience, I'm sure I could clear a few things up and tell you which kit has the better supplies, but since I don't, we're going to give it to the Outer Limits supply kit because 128 items and 42 things is just 9 more than My Medic. So, is it fair? No, but it's Friday, damn it, and that's how we're doing it. Now, the functionality of these kits is almost identical. There's a whole lot of stuff crammed into these badass little cases to help save your life. So, what more do you need, right? They both have 3 different storage compartments with multiple pockets and elastic straps to help organize the supplies. The My Medic kit has a removable pouch, the Outer Limits supply one does not. These are both great kits from stellar companies, and if we had to pick one, it's gotta be the Outer Limits supply kit because they support us, and these kits are literally too close to call. But I'll tell you what, I'll link both of them in the description below with a side-by-side comparison of what's inside, and you can decide for yourself. So, until next time, this has been my favorite 5-Minute Friday, even though there's only been 2. But if you're feeling affectionate, please gently caress that subscribe button and comment in the descriptions below. And let me know what you want to see on these future videos. So, I hope to see you on the trail, and safe travels. Boom. Both of these kits, personal outdoor, my nor do I have the expertise to be asking your first thing for the. Today we're gonna look at